Hi guys, so today we're going to learn how to measure angles, draw angles using a protractor. So this tool right here is called a protractor, okay? And we're going to use this tool to go ahead and measure angles. So if you look over here on the bottom, if you can see it, we have our different lines right here, our different measurements. So we have our ruler that's going to tell us all of our different measurements over here. We have centimeters over here, and then we have inches on the bottom. And then along the edge, we have different measurements, right? So we have 0, 10, 20, 30, and then on the very top, we have 180, 170, 160, and it goes all the way around. So then you can go ahead and see that. So what we're going to do is we're going to learn how to draw an angle today. So what we're going to do is first, when I'm drawing an angle, I like to go ahead and draw a straight line. And I do that by just lining this up and then taking my pencil and drawing it along the bottom to get a nice straight line. Then I go ahead and take this off, and I'm going to go ahead and actually make my angle open up over here. So we're going to go ahead and draw a point right here. And this is going to be really, really helpful because this is going to help us figure out, okay, how we're going to go ahead and draw our angle. So I'm going to go ahead and draw an angle that is 30 degrees. Okay, so first thing I got to do is take my protractor, and if we see this dot right here, right, we're going to take that dot and we're going to line it up. So if we see right here, we're going to line that up, and then if you see this line, we're going to make sure that's lined up too against our straight line. Then over here on my opening, if you see, I have my numbers. So I have 0, I have 10, I have 20, I have 30, right? So I'm going to go ahead and make a 30-degree angle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and go 10, 20, 30, right? I'm going to go ahead and draw a line right there. And we want to make sure we start from the 0 and then go up, right? And that's going to be 30 degrees. Then I drew a little tab, and then I'm going to go ahead and take that off, and I'm going to connect my dots. So I have a dot here, and I have a dot here. So I'm going to go ahead and connect my dots. And then I'm going to go ahead and draw my straight line. I'm going to draw it all the way up against my protractor. And that is a 30-degree angle. So right here is 30 degrees. Now, let's go ahead and say I want to go ahead and do a 110-degree angle. Let's figure out how we're going to do that. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and draw our straight line. Right? And that wasn't a perfectly straight line, but we're going to go ahead and do that. And I'm actually going to go ahead and open up my angle this way so that the mouth is opening up this way. So I'm going to go ahead and draw a line, a little dot right here. Now, remember, I got to go take my whole hole. I got to line that up with my dot and make sure that the lines are lined up just like that. And we're going to make the angle open up this way. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the 0 over here. So I have 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110. So I'm going to go ahead and, I moved it a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and draw a little dot right there at 110. Then I'm going to go ahead and take my protractor and connect my dots. Right? And now I have my 110-degree angle. All right, great. So you guys go ahead and practice on the sheet that I provided you with. Go ahead and work with a partner, and don't forget to use your protractor. Great, y'all. Have a good day. Bye.